Hello friends, welcome back. I have another homeschool haul for you today. This is much smaller than my other one. I'll link the other one I did above and below so you can see it. So these should be the last of the homeschool stuff for this year, minus some supplies and things like that. So let's start with this box over here. This is from Home Science Tools, and it's a dissection kit. This is just animal organs. So you have a heart, a brain, an eyeball, and a kidney. And it comes with a magnifying glass, that scalpel thing, and styrofoam trays, and then dissection guides for all the different organs. Now we are learning about the human body, so I thought it would be interesting to actually dissect these kind of organs. We're also learning about mammals, but I didn't get any mammal dissections because I just think it's kind of mean to kill stuff just to dissect it, unless you're going into the medical field. But if it's already a byproduct of the meat industry, I don't really feel that bad about it. Okay, these are Dyslexia Games by The Thinking Tree. I believe she is a dyslexia expert or researcher or something along those lines. And she designed these for her child, and I got them for my oldest son, but I'm going to get the younger version for my other two kids, maybe next semester when we have our funding come in from our program. But basically, and I'll do a full flip through of these. But each one is just kind of like filling in the pattern type things. And the whole point of these is that it's supposed to train your brain out of dyslexia. So I don't know if they'll work or not, but from the reviews I saw, it seemed like they really help with concentration and attention to detail, things like that. And they do get pretty intricate. And that's only book 2. That was book 1. Book 3. And they're not very long at all, so I'd probably just have them do like 1 page a day. And they're supposed to help with spelling too. 4. So each a bit different. And they have different kinds of themes too. There's 8 books in each series, and there's 3 series. So based on his age, I got him at this one, which is Series B. So there's one more after this one that you can do. So I'm hoping this helps a little bit. I don't think he's severely dyslexic, but I'm not sure what's going on there. Okay, I got one of these. I'm not sure if I showed this in the other video. So I like Dr. Funsters. They're really cool. They have different puzzles throughout the whole book, and each page is different, which I really like. They're really fun to do. Again, just a page a day, a couple times a week. This was definitely a spur of the moment purchase. I just saw these and I thought these would be good to get. So basically they are real life math books. So I have bank account, bargain math, credit card, budget, and checkbook. And basically it just teaches you how to do those things. Like how to write a check, where the things go, all the things. And then they have different activities to do in each one so that you can actually get real practice with these skills. And again, I will go through and do a much slower flip through of them so you can see all the pages. This is bargain math. It's cool, it has ads and percentages off and things like that. And then the big account is the last one. So I got this set for my oldest 2. They are 9 and 11. And they always want to buy silly things with their money. So I thought it'd be nice to have real world practice. All right, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.